Question 1. What is the appropriate action if a CNA notices a resident choking and unable to speak or cough? Option A. Offer the resident a glass of water. Option B. Perform the Heimlich maneuver, abdominal thrusts, and call for help immediately. Option C. Wait a few minutes to see if the resident clears the obstruction on their own. Option D. Leave the room to find the resident's family. The correct answer is option C. Wait a few minutes to see if the resident clears the obstruction on their own.